over his first Christmas?
Yeah.
Oh, keep putting paper in your mouth there, buddy.
He sure is. Oh, who's that for? Hey, you know what, Kate? I think that Cohen needs that big bag. Can you get that big bag? And the card?
Wow.
I think this is for Cohen. Nope, that's not for you. Hang on.
Cade, watch. This is from Grandpa and Grandmother
This is
to Cohen.
Look, Kate, focus. Look. Okay.
This is awesome.
This is for you, honey.
You want Woody?
Look, brother, he's
Here's your apple. You want your apple?
Oh, he said piece of paper. Cohen, what's in there for you?
You let him pull.
It's a Cohen Bear. Yeah, now Cohen has a Bear. Wow. You like him? Oh.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, he's smiling.
Oh, is he soft? Good job.
Here's Mater. Mater. Ho, ho, ho.